If you look at this face paint, you almost wouldn't believe it, but this definitely is a quick and easy face paint. This butterfly is created with split cakes by Diamond FX, and if you want to know how, please keep watching. So step 1 to create this butterfly is a sponge with the colors of split cake Mother Africa on it. It's lovely white, yellow and green, and a great base to create the butterfly with. So any mess you have made, you can definitely clean up with a baby wipe. That is the easiest. And once the base with Mother Africa is on the skin, it is time to continue to a brush. This is an angled brush by Superstar, and the split cake candy swirl is on it. And as you can see, it is blue and purple, and it looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, with only 4 brush strokes, one of those wings of the butterfly is already done. So this is a symmetrical face paint, both sides get the same treatment. And for the body of our butterfly, Simone is putting in a fantasy body. So this is a double dip flower body with just white and the plum color by Superstar on it. A few white teardrops. Some dots, and of course the stars are back in Simone's face paint. A pink for the lipstick, which matches the butterfly extremely well, and that already completes the quick and easy butterfly tutorial for today. Well, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.